Give Morphosis a brain. Start from a voice. Record it in the studio or use any existing audio from your archives. Brain, the model training companion for Morphosis. With Brain, train custom voices and sound models for Morphosis. Brain turns your source material into custom models you can use in your own post-production workflow. No cloud training, no external upload. Brain is built for an ethical, virtuous workflow where sensitive audio, trained models and rights remain under your control. Once your model is ready, load it into Morphosis and use it to morph new inputs, create unique voices, and explore new vocal directions.
With great power comes great responsibility.
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 Use it for voice continuity, tricky ADR, altered or unavailable voices, age variations, or alternative vocal versions. The better your source, the stronger your model. Brain, the model training companion for Morphosis.